Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 10 by 10 inch canvas. I have strained some Artist Loft and Floetrol mixture of base paint so that I can use it because it had filaments in it. I don't know if it's going to work, so we're going to just try it. I had to add some Floetrol to the bottle, but it doesn't seem to have made any difference, and if it's not overly white, I don't think I'm going to worry too much about it. I am going to grab a spatula and try and leave myself enough room to spin my turntable. And I might put a bigger puddle in the center, which is fine. 10 by 10 inch canvases are easy to work with because they're so small. Now if I start in the middle, then I have to move out on all sides, but if I start on one edge, then I have more of a chance. I don't want to overdose the white because Artist Loft white is pretty strong. I want to use sort of Easter colors because it's Easter weekend. And I'm going to start with some Rhapsody Rose, which isn't necessarily an Easter color, but oh well. And I want to try a little bit of Dazzling White Metallic from Artist Loft in there, just because I can. And then I'm going to use some Pink Carnation, which I'm hoping needs very little shaking and is open. Might use that again. This is Tuscan Sun, which I should have shaken. Oh, I've got some Plum Blossom. I think that's a good choice. Especially since I'm going to put some Tickled Pink right on top of it. This is the Tickled Pink. And Rogue Element, I'm going to throw in some Vibrant Aqua. And then I'm going to try and convince myself that it's a good idea to use white cell activator, which means I have to choose. You know what, that makes me want purple. Huh. What have I got for purple? I've got Bobbing for apples, I think. Might be kind of dark. Might be perfect if I can get it to come out. I think there was a rather large lump of something just fell in there. Let's try and get it out. Yep, I was right. Now, my normal reaction would be to use black, but I'm going to try and use white. And since I don't want to use a spatula right now, I'm going to try something different, which is this edge of a lid that I cut into a diagonal. Let's see if I can figure out how to motivate that to come around. This would be the perfect one for the dioxazine purple if I were. If it were working. I might want to come in from the other direction. I'm going to grab one of my silicone rubber brushes. Take off all the extra paint. Probably come in from the other side and maybe I'll do something weird, like use the cobalt turquoise from Atelier. I might want to add a little more paint. Might want to get a couple bottles out of the way too. So maybe paint Carnation again. And what else? You know what? I wanted some orange in there and I didn't put it in there, and maybe this is the perfect time for it. Looks like there's some in there. Still feels like Easter egg colors to me. I'm going to go white and turquoise. And back to the rubber brush. Ooh, that orange turned out pretty neat. If I don't love what I've got, I might have some ideas about what to do about it. Let's see if anything's going to tip for me. Let me grab something to dump paint onto, in case it will flow. Looks like I've got a fair amount of cell activator willing to flow. Like a river. Wow. Might still be kind of cool. I don't see any filaments in the white, but I don't guarantee that it's not mostly Floetrol either. I want to go back the other way. I don't want to lose too much more paint. I've got nice cells. Got nice paint I could use too. It seems to be moving fairly well. If I let a puddle go down there and squish it, then I've got a covered edge. Trying not to get paint on my pants. I don't know why I wore these pants in here. Now I've got other paint colors and an inclination to use it, but I needed, there we go, paper towel right there. So I'm just going to pick up my edge catcher. And I might use a skewer. I could also tip again. say a skewer, and then I could definitely use the corner of my brush. That's actually pretty. I didn't use any gold, and I really kind of wish I had. I see the cat hair. So, do I want to do anything to that? Good question. I had a little tool that I just moved out of my way. And that is this tool right here. And I could use a little more cell activator. Could also use a straw. Fill in this gap I see. Little dancing fuchsia. I think if I can get it open. Right on one of my tiniest acetate tools. And instead of using a skewer, I'll just use the end of my acetate tool. Throw a couple spirals in there, maybe only one. I think that's it. So I'm going to torch really quickly and look at it for a moment and grab my skewer and do whatever I want to do. To fill in or spiral out, more like. Don't see a lot. I haven't done tendrils for a long time. Kind of like to do a few. Pretty, pretty, pretty colors. Really pretty. If I've got any more paint left hanging around on that edge catcher, I'll put it on my edges. I still need to torch. I've got a few minutes left. I suppose if I still wanted to put gold in, I could put some edges on tomorrow. Really nice patterns, really beautiful colors. There we go. There's a fair amount of sparkle in there actually. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.